so then next you know, she coming home from tutoring, smelling like chicken. I mean, smelling like straight seasoned salt, right? I didn't say nothing. Cause you know I come
Everybody gets extra seasoning at Rudy's on their chicken.
Yeah, they do. I know I do.
Well, listen, it was seasoned a little. It was everywhere. You know how people say you come home smelling like perfume? She had seasoned salt all on her blouse one day. I ain't no dummy. I know.
What starts as a simple child support case quickly explodes into a full courtroom scandal. 2 kids, unanswered questions, and way too much drama for one hearing.
Hi, my name is April, and I'm coming to you today for child support for my 2 children.
All right. How old are your children?
My children, 6 and 4.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm bringing Mr. here before the court today because I need support for my kids. And unfortunately, he's not providing.
April steps in calm and collected. She's raising 2 kids, ages 6 and 4, on her own. No bitterness, no yelling. She just wants the father to step up, and honestly, she looks exhausted.
Does he have a job?
Yes, he does.
All right. What does he work?
He's a plumber.
Okay. All right. So he has a legitimate job. He can be supporting the kids, and he won't do it?
He will not.
Okay.
The father is a licensed plumber, which immediately raises a question. If he can work, why isn't he paying? Even the judge seems confused. To her, the math is simple.
Let me know anything else before I move over to him?
Yes. His job is to be a plumber, but that's not the only thing he's fixing.
Oh, okay.
He's not just fixing water pipes.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Then April drops a bomb. He's not just working jobs. He's doing questionable side work that sounds a lot like community service. The judge catches on fast and the tension spikes.
Listen, I'm a plumber. I'm a licensed plumber, drummer to plumber. I'm sure you've seen all my social media ads. All I do...
Actually, I haven't.
Okay, well, you should. All I do is lay pipe all day long.
Oh, okay.
Instead of taking it seriously, he turns the courtroom into a comedy club, throwing out pipe jokes while the real issues get brushed aside.
I'm not talking about any housework. I'm not talking about any businesses. I'm talking about females.
Oh, okay. Drummer the plumber. All right.
All up and down Oak Cliff.
April stops hinting and gets direct. This isn't just irresponsibility anymore. It's straight-up disrespect. And the judge is clearly not amused.
I don't be in Oak Cliff like that unless I'm working.
I met you at Rudy's. You were fixing their pipe. I met you at Rudy's.
Well, you know what? That don't...
She met you at Rudy's.
Listen. Okay, I every now and then I go from time to time between jobs. Listen, I'm drummer to plumber, okay? I do a real good job. He
tries to brush everything off, but April fires back with facts. She met him while he was working at Rudy's, and his past is starting to catch up with him.
Listen, we went to a soccer game for our 6-year-old, right?
All right.
Everything was cool. You know, I met another young lady, and I brought her to the game, you know, because, you know, she likes soccer too. And she been tripping ever since. She wasn't tripping like that until she...
And it gets worse. He brought another woman to their kid's soccer game. Not just messy, embarrassing. April is furious. And honestly, who wouldn't be?
Child support, I pick my kids up. My kids got all the new shoes. They got all the new clothes. Anything they need. I take little man to the barbershop every week.
Are you referring to these kids or?
All my kids.
Wait a minute, how many kids you have?
I mean, you know, before I got with her, you know, I have 3, you know, and then we have 2, I guess, you know.
He thinks buying Jordans and paying for haircuts makes him father of the year. Then he casually says, I might have 5 kids. Even the judge has to pause on that one.
What do you mean by I guess? What does that mean?
That youngest one don't look like me, but, you know, I'm not even, you know, we're not going to do that today. You know, we're not going to do that today. She's not as innocent. You do a lot of after-hours tutoring at her job, and it don't be no kids up there, so.
Tutoring and fixing pipes, okay.
Now the courtroom is in full chaos. What began as a child support case has turned into a daytime soap opera. No one saw this coming.
I got to stay afterwards. I'm teaching a class, and I drive by there because I got a job around the corner, and it's just 2 cars up there. I know the kids can't drive, but, you know, ain't nobody up there. It'd be some bells ringing, though.
Interesting. You know,
And I'm tutoring his other kids. So that's why I'm there late. Because he's not there helping his kids. I'm tutoring the first 3 kids.
He accuses April of after-hours tutoring with zero proof. She snaps back instantly. She's teaching his kids, not sneaking around. The audacity is unreal.
man, I could listen to you all day, but unfortunately I can't because I have other cases I have to get to, right? So I can't really place him on child support today without him knowing if these are his kids.
Okay.
At this point, the judge can't even make a ruling. The case is too messy. DNA testing becomes the only way forward.
Listen, what she don't like to tell you guys is that, you know, I met her at Rudy's, right?
All right.
The dude ringing her up, she was hollering at him. I pulled her from him.
I asked her for extra pickles and a pepper.
I bet you wanted an extra pickle and a pepper.
Okay, you know what? So,
I
you
bet
know
you
what?
did.
I did.
So then next you know, she coming home from tutoring, smelling like chicken. I mean, smelling like straight seasoned salt, right? I didn't say nothing.
Then comes the wildest claim yet. Fried chicken, pickles, and seasoned salt are supposedly proof of cheating. The courtroom is stunned. This is comedy, not evidence.
Everybody gets extra seasoning at Rudy's on their chicken.
Yeah, they do. I know I do.
Well, listen, it was seasoned a little, it was everywhere. You know how people say you come home smelling like perfume? She had seasoned salt all on her blouse one day. I ain't no dummy. I know what it is. So,
Okay.
you know.
Sir, what pipes were you?
April defends herself. He keeps joking. The judge has officially had enough. Somewhere along the way, everyone lost focus on what really matters, the kids.
Okay, let me tell you what we're going to do. Hold on, both of you. Let me tell you what we are going to do because I got a lot of seasoning from the both of you today. This is what we're going to do. We're going to reset this case so you can get a DNA test. Go ahead and get it on both, right? So I'm going to order you get a DNA test on both.
After all the nonsense, the judge resets the case. No more talking. No more drama. Paternity tests come first.
Man,
Yes,
whoever
can
we
get
need
all
to
that.
bring
We
in
can
here.
Bring the other 3 kids that I tutor and help.
Okay, well, you know what? That's what we're
Because
going
they
to
can't
do.
read. One's 15, the other's 11. They can't read.
But they
That's
fly.
why
They
extra
fly.
help.
They fly. They got everything they need.
But you buy everybody Jordans. You buy my kids Jordans. You just said.
What's wrong with that?
April reveals she's helping raise his other kids while he's busy buying sneakers. He's focused on image, not education, and it shows.
Excuse me, did y'all need me to leave while you all finished talking? Or did you want to find out these are your kids or
I
not?
just got a whiff of seasoned salt
Do
that
you
set me
want
off
to
a little
find,
bit.
answer my question. Do you want to find out whether or not these are your kids?
I do.
Thank you. Do you want to place him on child support if he is indeed the father? Okay.
The judge's patience is gone. April finally says it straight. She doesn't want jokes or excuses. She wants support, not seasoning.
Ma'am, excuse me. Miss Drummer, I don't need you to tell him what he does not need to do. I need you to listen to what I'm saying, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
And I
you.
need him. No, don't thank me. I need you to go get the DNA testing, okay?
Okay, I'll get the DNA test.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay.
Understood. So do you all have any other questions about what we're doing here today?
Yeah, just out of curiosity, how's the plumbing at the courtyard?
You know what? With that, we're going to go ahead and dismiss this and dismiss it for today, not in its entirety. You all are dismissed. And for
The case is reset once again. DNA testing is ordered. The judge shuts it down, and the courtroom drama finally comes to an end.